Hi folks, and welcome to my new food channel, which is called Tony's Comfort Kitchen. My name is Tony Priestley and I have been cooking for, 35 years. I'm not a full-time chef, I'm not a professional chef, I'm just an enthusiastic home cook. But over the years I've amassed a whole array of dishes, tips and tricks that I can pass on to you guys. As the channel name suggests, it's all about comfort food, so I'll be cooking dishes that not only warm your belly but warm your heart as well. Dishes we all love, chilies, pastas, pizzas, curries, you name it. Meat, poultry, fish, seafood, vegetarian, vegan, they'll all get a hit in this channel. So, if you like comfort food and you want to follow along, then please do. By all means, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and dingling that little notification bell, and you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. So, okay, see you in future videos. Thanks people, bye, peace.